Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Sonia Ryan, and I am here to give a presentation on the topic of decision tree analysis with example, advantage, and disadvantage with my co-team members Dipanshi Mahajan, Tashi Beg, and Sakshi Singh. Decision tree analysis. Decision tree analysis is a powerful decision making tools which initiates a structured non-parametric approach for problem solving. It facilitates the evaluation and comparison of the various options and their results and show in decision tree. It helps to choose the most competitive alternative. It is widely used techniques for taking crucial decisions like project selection, cost management, operation management, product method, and to deal with various other strategic issues in an organization. Decision tree. A decision tree is a graphical depiction of all the probabilities or outcomes to solve the specific issue or evaluates a potential opportunity. It is a usually financial tools which visually facilitates the classification of all the probabilities result in a given situation. Decision tree analysis. This is a decision tree look like that.
Terminologies used. Root node. A root node compiles the whole sample. It is then divided into multiple sets which comprise of homogeneous variables. Second is decision node. That subnode which diverges into further possibilities can be denoted as a decision node. Third is terminal node. The final node showing the outcome which cannot be categorized any further is termed as value or terminal node. Fourth one is branch. A branch denotes the various alternatives available with the decision tree maker. And fifth is splitting. The division of the available option into multiple subnodes is termed as splitting. And sixth one is pruning. It is just the reverse of splitting, where the sub decision tree maker can eliminate one or more subnodes from the particular decision node. And this is the steps in decision tree analysis. First is defining the decision making problem. Second is drafting a decision tree with all possible outcome. Third is putting in relevant data with probability value. Fourth is determining and allocating payoff for each possible outcome. Fifth one is figuring out expected monetary value for every possibility.
Good afternoon to all present here. Today I, Dipanshi Mahajan, is here with the example of decision tree analysis. Let us see how decision tree works and how to analyze a particular decision by making a decision tree. ABC Limited is a company manufacturing skin products. It was found that the business is at maturity stage, demanding some change. After rigorous research, the management department of the company came up with the following decision tree. So, as we can see in the decision tree, there are basically three alternatives present for the company. First one is the company can expand its existing unit, or it can innovate a new product, or it can make no changes. Whereas there are some possibilities with each of the alternative that is available to the company. If the company choose first alternative, that is expansion of business unit, then the possibilities are that there may be increase in the overall profitability of the company by 2,50,000. Sorry, there is a possibility that the profit of the company may increase by 25 lakh, whereas there is 60% possibility that company may suffer loss of 8 lakh rupees. Let us calculate the EMV of the alternative. So if we find out the expected monetary value for this alternative, then it comes out to be 5,20,000. Whereas if we take another alternative and find out the EMV of that alternative, where there is 50-50 chances of profitability as well as loss, then the EMV come out to be rupees 6 lakh. Whereas if the company made no changes to its existing product line, then there are 60% chances that the company may suffer loss and fail due to the new competitors, and the incurring loss is of rupees 4 lakh. Whereas if it does not change, it makes the profit of rupees 10 lakh. If we calculate the EMV, expected monetary value for this option, it comes out to be rupees 16 lakh. Sorry, it comes out to be rupees 1,60,000. So, what is the interpretation? From the above all the evaluation what we have done, if we want to compare that what is the best alternative for the company, what is the best decision the company can make, then it can be shown that we can easily make out that the option of new product line has the highest EMV. So therefore company can avail this opportunity to make the highest gain by ensuring the best possible use of its sources. So the best decision for a company is option number A. Further will be continued by Sakshi Singh. Thank you.
My name is Sakshi Singh and I am going to explain the further slide. So the advantages of decision tree analysis. It helps in depicting the most suitable projective solution, which is termed as the optimal solution. It also helps in classifying and data interpretation in an easy manner, by which the decision maker can take the right decision regarding their problem. It assists in multiple decision making tools, means when there are also other tools in the operation research which is used for the decision making, so its result is also helpful in that thing also. It considers the both categorical and numerical data, and it also initiates the variable analysis. Disadvantages of decision tree analysis. So it is inappropriate for excessive data. It is difficult to handle numerous outcomes when there is a numerous outcome in the analysis. The chances of classification errors is there in it. It also there is also impact of variance in it. It is unsuitable for continuous variables, and it is suitable. It is not it is sensitive towards the biasness, and in the lab it is a very expensive process, so it can't be afforded by all the decision maker or the organization. And the conclusion is that in operation research, decision tree analysis also considered as the importance as like the PERT analysis and the CPM. It helps in the decision maker in solving the complex problem by which they can take the decision. This enables the decision maker to make the optimum solution and simplifies the task. Thank you.